Hello lovely people, welcome to Akose's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today I will be sharing with you a very popular snack and then very simple to make. So this is plantain chips. Alright, so please stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing to do is to slice the plantain. Okay, you can use ripe or non-ripe plantains, which is fine. So you slice them into thin shapes, and then you can also use a knife to slice them in thin. Please be careful when using this side of the grater because it can hurt. Yes, so I also use the knife to slice, which will give you the same result, but I think the grater is more faster. So once I'm done slicing everything, I'll go ahead and put everything in a mixing bowl and then add some spices. So I'll be adding a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, and then half teaspoon of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything together and then go ahead and fry. Please make sure the oil is hot before you dip in the plantains. As I said, make sure the oil is very hot before you put the plantains inside so that it will not be soggy. So stir until it's golden brown, and then you remove them from the oil and place them in a strainer lined with a paper towel to soak the excess oil. Go ahead and then add the remaining plantains and fry until everything is done. So another option is you can bake this, or you can also air fry, which will give you the same result and then it will still be crunchy. So once you're done frying everything, you just place it in your bowl and then enjoy. This is so crunchy and delicious. The paprika and the black pepper gives it a really nice taste. All right, but if you want to keep for later use, you can just store them in an airtight container or Ziploc or any plastic with a seal, and then store them in your shelves. Give it to your kids for school, or you can take it to work. This is a very quick and easy snack for the family. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Okay, take care. God bless you all. Bye.